Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Blink Mini product review, brought to you by SoriaEcommerce. The Blink Mini just came out today, April 15th, 2020. And now for the unboxing. The Blink Mini, as you can see, comes with power cable, power adapter, and wall screws. And for the back side of the camera, the USB port. And some of the features that are with this camera is two-way audio, motion detection, and it works with, obviously, Alexa. So let's set it up. Okay, one thing to point out, there is a reset button underneath. It's kind of hard to see. And then there's also a place to put the power cord to go through. Now it's time to download the Blink Home Monitor app. Okay, so I installed the camera, and here's some tips. First, I would pre-install the app in all your devices because they have to send you an activation email before you can get into the app. And if it gets stuck in your junk mail, then you're stuck waiting. Once you have it installed, it works well, and it wants to immediately download a camera firmware update. So don't unplug the camera until it's done updating the firmware. What are the pros? Well, the pros of the camera is it's an inexpensive camera that will record people walking by. It does its job well. What were the cons? Well, for my use, I wanted to have a constant live video stream so I could watch it as a front door camera as people approached and just keep it running. But it's not designed to do that. The app, for now, will disconnect you from the live feed after about 20 seconds or so. So that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, SoriaEcommerce. Thank you.